Hi, this is Suzanne Gregory, and I'm here to talk with you about addressing and preventing maternal mortality. The World Health Organization defines maternal mortality as the death of someone while pregnant from any pregnancy-related cause or any pregnancy-exacerbated cause except for an accidental cause. Every year within the United States, more than 700 pregnancy-related deaths occur. Emerging initiatives are underway currently to reduce that unacceptably high maternal mortality in the United States. A common focus of these efforts is on improving surveillance, doing better screening of conditions that could impact maternal mortality, and improving quality of healthcare delivery. Although there are efforts to reduce maternal mortality in the United States, a significant opportunity for aggressive improvement remains. The pre-pregnancy period offers key opportunities for primary prevention. The United States has an extremely high rate of maternal mortality compared with similarly wealthy countries. You can see in the graphic on the right that the United States rate, identified in orange, is far above some other similarly wealthy countries like Canada, Australia, and Western Europe. As of 2019, the rates of maternal mortality have tripled from 1990, up from 8 deaths per 100,000 people to 20.1 deaths per 100,000 people. And maternal mortality is not evenly distributed by race, ethnicity, income level, or geographic region. I do want to take a second to point out that maternal mortality in this way is very similar to other chronic health conditions, which are not evenly distributed by race, ethnicity, income level, or geographic region, and do impact women in different ways. The Centers for Disease Control reports that being an American Indian woman, an Alaska Native woman, or a Black woman increases your likelihood of having a pregnancy-related cause of death over Caucasian women by about 2 to 3 times. The disparity in that statistic has remained constant over a period of many years. What this data shows is that, like other health conditions, there are disparities amongst women in who is more likely to be impacted by maternal mortality. Other factors go in, like access to medical care and education, as well as predisposition to other medical conditions that may affect you prior to becoming pregnant. So it's time to talk a little bit about what contributes to maternal mortality. More recently, a lot of causes of maternal mortality have been attributed to chronic medical conditions, which tends to suggest that we can probably prevent some deaths if we're addressing health prior to women becoming pregnant. Harris et al. States that hypertensive disorders are the #1 cause of maternal mortality within the United States, and that does include hypertension that exists before pregnancy as well as preeclampsia and other hypertensive states that develop during the pregnancy. As far as diabetes is concerned, that also presents health risks to both mother and baby and can result in adverse pregnancy outcomes, according to CINI. Obesity, which is an epidemic in the United States, has been estimated by Wang et al. To impact about 40%, just shy of half of women who are at childbearing age, and is a huge risk for adverse outcomes. For women with chronic diseases, there are many more people dealing with them before becoming pregnant, and as a result, they are at risk for adverse pregnancy outcomes. Nutrition is vital before, during, and after pregnancy. Many nutrients are needed pre-pregnancy for the proper development, as in neural tubes. Folic acid is needed very early and even before the pregnancy. There are other nutritional issues or concepts that are very important to know, such as limiting salt that will can avoid the development or avoid contributing to hypertension. Lifestyle factors are also very important because we know that smoking, alcohol, and drugs can lead to adverse pregnancy outcomes and contribute to the development of other health issues. I would like to propose a focus on primary prevention in this space to optimize the health of the woman, to include their physical health, as well as elimination of health disparities prior to women becoming pregnant. The American College of Gynecology, or ACOG, recommends uniformly screening women that are in the age ranges where they could be potentially becoming pregnant, to find out if they feel like they would like to become pregnant or if it's likely that they become pregnant in the next year, and to focus on pre-pregnancy health to optimize the health during and after the pregnancy. However, according to data, it looks like there's continues to be a gap in this area and that more efforts need to be placed. Efforts to improve health pre-pregnancy lead to better outcomes during and after pregnancy. While many efforts are focused on health during the pregnancy, factors contributing to adverse pregnancy outcomes can best be addressed with primary prevention by managing health behaviors, health disparities, and chronic conditions prior to pregnancy. Thank you very much for your time. Here are my references, and I hope you have a great evening.